Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will go through how to wire up a button to a digital input module of a Siemens ET200S, and then make a simple program with it. If we take a look at the front of the digital input module, we can see how we want to wire the button. From terminal 3, 7, 4 and 8 of the module will give us 24 voltage DC+. So I will wire one side of the button to terminal 4. Then on terminal 1, 5, 2 and 6 is where we want to wire the in signal. So I will wire my button's other side to terminal 2. In Simatic Manager I will go to my OB1 main block. In the previous video we addressed the input module from 0.0 to 0.3. The addressing will then be assigned like this. Since I put my signal cable to input signal terminal 2, I need to use 0.2 when programming. I will now download this program and then test it out. When I now press the button, signal 0.2 will turn true. We can also add the signal to the variable monitor to see that it turned true. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.